President Museveni has put pen to paper, effectively turning the controversial Land Amendment Act into law, but both exponents and those entirely against it remain deeply divided. To what extent will this law cure the rampant evictions, the decision behind tabling the amendment? We sought out the Uganda Law Society President Bruce Cherere, who argues that the new law is now binding and should be respected because it was assented to by the President. He, however, says that whereas it's a little too late, the amendment that was passed into law by the 8th Parliament is superfluous.
But to have preferred to deal with it in a symptomatic manner, I think that was not the best approach. And to that extent, we do not expect much from the new law because the situation it is seeking to address could still be addressed by the previous 1998 land law.
Cherere says without commitment and implementation, the new law will remain a paper tiger.
That the government this time around moves with the same zeal and commitment as it showed in passing the law.
But President Museveni, who assented to the bill from his country home in Rwaktora, remains unmoved by the controversy the new law has attracted. Buganda, which continues to show flack towards the bill, alleges that the law is a ploy to steal its chunks of land. However, Cherere says the timing of the crafting of the bill led to an undercurrent of suspicion.
It was amended and passed. I think the intentions were good, but it was brought in controversial times, and the government didn't do much to, build a background for it.
Mengo had earlier on presented its legitimate position to Parliament, flatly rejecting the amendment. The new law will offer tenants a grace period of 6 months before an eviction order can be effected. The bill also empowers the lands minister to determine ground rent within 6 months after district land boards have failed to do so. Emam Taizibwa, NTV Tonight.